you guys have an update like every 5 minutes and want to be able to best utilize it, want to be able to best you.
Yeah, I don't know if you, this week's our big summit, right? And we on Monday dropped insane numbers of new features. So if you haven't seen it, it's blog.gohighlevel, and we've got at least 50. So there's quite a few.
Yeah. So how do us like normal mortals stay on top of all the crazy changes?
Well, so the YouTube channel is great because you'll just see my crazy coming at you videos, and you can just sort of pause them if you don't listen to me, and then we like link the help docs down below so you can actually read through them. But on our side, it's all about the ideas listed to our customers. I mean, everything you see is a reflection of what we've been asked to make by our customers. And we really do go in order of importance there. So as far as like what we're going to do in the future, we have the public ideas list, right? So ideas.gohighlevel.com, and you can vote it up as a customer. And we have product managers, and they follow literally in that order. So we don't really presuppose anything. We really like to only plan a quarter in advance, because we really want to jump to that thing that all of you are saying is huge. Like we just dropped TikTok lead integration, right? Because TikTok is blowing up. And we know this because our customers tell us this, and we have all these people now bringing in new people from TikTok ads. So, that's kind of how we've organized the company.